Hey everyone, welcome back. In the last video, we tackled text-to-speech conversion, giving Jarvis the ability to speak, but a true assistant understands you too. Today's video conquers speech-to-text conversion in Python. This will allow Jarvis to recognize your spoken commands, making him an interactive powerhouse. Imagine telling Jarvis to search the web, play music, or control your smart home, all with your voice. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to supercharge your Jarvis with speech recognition. Let's jump in. So in the previous video, we made a text-to-speech converter using pytexx3 library. So to make a speech-to-text converter, let's quickly create another new file named stt.py. So if you haven't seen the previous video yet, then definitely watch it once. So to make a speech-to-text converter, we are going to use the speech recognition library. So to download this library, you have to open the terminal of your editor and run this command, pip install speech recognition. Then this library will start installing. So I have already installed this library. So in my case, requirement already satisfied is showing.